is a queen. And what she does is she looks for a worker of another species of ant. She kills it and gathers the scent on her body. She will then go look for the nest of that species of ant. And the ants will recognize her as their own. She will go into the nest. She will then go and kill the queen of that other species of ant. And the workers of that other species won't notice this. She will then start laying her own eggs and slowly start replacing those workers with her own species of ant. To me, that is just remarkably awesome behavior.